how to convert decimals into fractions. So let's start off with the first one. The first one is 0.07. All we need to do is see how many decimal places are there. There are 1, 2 decimal places. So all I need to do, write it over 100. 2 decimal places, 2 zeros, and then I just write the integer 7 over the 100, so that's 7 over 100. Can I simplify this? No, I can't. I can't simplify this because there is no common factor. Let's go to the next one, 0.69. Once again, how many decimal places are there? 1, 2. So I will write that over 100. 2 decimal places, 2 zeros, and then I just write the integer 69 over the 100. Next one, 0.022. How many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3. So I'll write this over 1000. 3 decimal places, 3 zeros, and I just write the integer 22. I ignore any preceding zeros. I write the integer 22. I could have written 0.22, but I don't need the 0 there. 22 over 1000. Let's go to the next one, 0.4. How many decimal places? Only 1 decimal place, so I write this over 10. 1 decimal place, 1 0. So then this will be, and then I write the 4 over the 10. Can I simplify this? Yes, I can, because I can, the common factor of 4 and 10 is 2. I can divide both of them by 2. I get 2 over 5, 2/5. The next one, 0.101. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So I write that over 1000. And I write the number 101 over the 1000. Now, going back to this example, I didn't realize that this can be simplified. There is a common factor of 2. Both of these numbers can be divided by 2. So this simplifies to 22 divided by 2 is 11. 1000 divided by 2 is 500, so that's 11 over 500. So as you can see here, it's very easy to forget to simplify. Please make sure that you simplify all fractions. When you're writing decimals as fractions, after you have written the fraction over 10, 100 or 1000, make sure to check that if the fraction can be simplified, like I've done here. I've shown you how to convert decimal numbers that are less than 1 into fractions. Now I'm going to show you how to convert decimal numbers that are more than 1 into fractions. So starting with the first one, 1.19, all we need to do once again is see how many decimal places I have. 1, 2 decimal places, so I'm going to write that over 100. 2 decimal places, 2 zeros, and then I write the entire string of numbers as a whole number, so I'm going to write this as 119. Now let's do the next one, 28.4. How many decimal places are there? It's only 1 decimal place, so I'm going to write that over 10. And then I'm going to write the entire string of numbers as a whole number, so that 28.4 will be written as 284. Now, can this be simplified? Yes, it can. I can divide top and bottom by 2. On top, I will get 142, and the bottom I'll get 5. Can I simplify any further? No, I can't, because there isn't any common factor. Let's go on to the next one. How many decimal places? Only 2 decimal places. 1, 2, so I write that over 100. And then I write this as a whole number. 30.93 will be 3093 as a whole number. 3093. So effectively I'm just ignoring the decimal point. Now the next one, 119.01, 2 decimal places, so I write that over 100, and I write this as, ignore the decimal point, write it as a whole number. This is 11,901. 11,901. Now, the next one, 2.073, 1, 2, 3, 3 decimal places, so over 1,000, 3 zeros, and then ignore the decimal point, write the string of digits over here. This is 2073. Can I simplify it? No, I can't. All of these fractions now are in their simplest form, and we're done.